All right, well, there's my final location, Carolees. However, this actually looks pretty cute. I love this sweater. That's fun. Check this dress out. How fun. Oh my gosh, I could just die. This thing fits me like a glove. Let me put it in my car. I don't want it to get ruined. That lady was so nice. Her name is Alexis, and she owns Threads, which is the best shopping experience I think I've had since I've been in the state. This is so freaking cool, man. Oh, I love it. $10 and mine forever. Well, that put a little pep in my step. And here I go into, what was it called? Angela's Antiques and Collectibles and More or something. I don't know. But I don't even care that it's raining anymore. See what a little 1960s French dress does to an attitude? Carolees. All right. Oh, I already see things I like. Stop it. It's a little kangaroo dog. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Oh, fun. Very fun. Look at this. That's so sweet. Wait, Gus and the baby ghost? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, that's a candle. I thought it was a vase with the anchor on it. That's cool. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, this green basket. That's fantastic. Love that. This is cool too, but I'm more into the basket. The live edge table. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Wait, $46? What do you think it would take to get this in my car? It's probably not gonna happen. Dang. Poodle. Pebblet. Wall panel. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, it's gonna be hard to find anything that even competes with that dress I just got, but I'm gonna look anyway. What is this? Oh, it's like pajamas. I'm really upset about that. I would totally take that. It's okay. It's okay. A couple more whatnot sales, hopefully, and I will be able to have enough space to put at least something in my car. Oh my gosh, the bracelets. Bracelets? Oh my gosh. A little money tree purse. How fantastic. $20. That's totally fair. I think it's got a little too much wear for resale at that price, but I love it. It almost looks like it's a Need Collins, honestly. It really does look like it. Maybe not. And I love the bride pose doll, but it's got like styrofoam underneath it. I love this towel too. How fun. It's really clean. Little sequin sweater. That's cute. It's like little leaves. And then what's this? That's kind of fun too, isn't it? Oh, it's got velvet trim. How neat. The velvet on that makes it even better, as velvet often does. And I love this red bag. Looks like a bowling bag almost, I think it is. Ooh. 26 though, dang. All right, let's see what's going on in here. I love that. Nothing yet. I love that brooch. That's definitely Bakelite. That's at 24. The prices here are pretty reasonable. Oh my gosh. Bangles, 25 a piece though. That's really fair for a collector. I love the black and white polka dot one too. Oh, I've kind of overdone it on the bangles. It's gonna take a lot for me to get another one for myself. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Delicious recipes. Oh my gosh, the funny egg sign. Look at this guy. $24. That's... looks like it's missing its bottom or something. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh my gosh. Salt only, $4. Oh, but he's so cute. I don't know if I can leave this here. I hate buying single shakers, but he's pretty special. I might... oh my gosh, a little donkey. That's cute too. Look at these shot glasses. It's neat. I love the print on those. I haven't had the most luck with shot glasses though. I'm gonna see if I can find something else. So, dude, this is fun. How cool. I just kind of like this. Looks like it might be brass too. Yep. All right, so for $3, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. That's really neat. Basket purses. Oh my gosh, the Alamo one. How fantastic. Oh, I love that. What is this pink glass? That's pretty. Huh. $6 Cambridge glass. Wow, there's all kinds of stuff in here. This is so fun. Love the places you have to kind of dig around. And this is super pretty. $20, totally fair. What is this mug? 1988 Japan. That's so cool. I'm so confused. It looks new, but I love the look of this. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this for $6. So now I have this, and we're gonna take our friend here. Oh my gosh, look at that bluebird mug. Oh my gosh, that's really sketch. All right, I'm gonna start a little pile. See the bleak down there. The prices are so good. The Wizard of Oz glasses, $10 each. This is cool too. Very eclectic. Love our poodle planter here. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh, okay, I was gonna say, I love that girl's face. Okay, but also this. This is so cute, $8. Sold. And, oh, he's a single shaker, and he's got a little nick on the ear. That's very cute. If it wasn't for the nick, I would do it. Kind of like this, Friendly Farm. It's neat. 14. This little dog is so fantastic. I love the match safe. Oh, that's neat too. Oh, little Kewpie plates. And the deer, how much is the deer? Oh, that's really broken, just kidding. Camel flip-flops. Surfy stuff. Whoa, look at this situation. So many incredible lighters. Okay, the casino one back there is amazing. That one's at $35, which if it was for myself, I would totally get. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, with the metal enamel. I need to, I should have probably put this dog up there so I'm not walking around with it. Oh, so cute. I got some good deals in here. Oh, wait, I was about to say it keeps going. But so does the lighter situation, although those cigarette ones are older. Some of them are older. Nothing that's really popping out at me, though. Oh my gosh, thank you, world. Look at this, this is cool. Jean, 1970, $18. And the little bride. This is cute. Oh my gosh, look at this funny little mug. Fun glasses, good for a tiki bar. One of those figural vases. This is funny. How cool. I love her texture. Ooh, I was gonna say that, but this is kind of nice. More funky stuff. Good. I feel like I haven't seen a lot of funky stuff. Not as much as I'm used to. I guess I'm kind of spoiled in Pennsylvania area. Ooh, Smiley. Let's see. Oh, I love the fruit salt and pepper shakers. I've had those so many times though. It's been a while. I love the frosted glasses. Yes, I am excited to discover new places on my way back. This is so funny. I think it's a little bit newer than I like. It might be like 1980s, but I'm not completely sold on it. Oh my gosh, how cute. The little birds on those. $10. $10 each. Yeah, I don't think I could get much more out of that. Look at the funny cat. Made in... Interesting. Wait a minute. What does that say? Made in Portugal. Interesting. What else was I looking at? There was something else I was looking at. Oh yeah, I was looking at the Brooches. Love the little rhinestone cowboy boot with the spur. That's at $4. Do I see anything else? Love a cowgirl. That's fun. Little rhinestone ones. This weird cat one, which is $5, which is super fun, by the way. It's definitely newer than I like. Little Eiffel Tower moments. Little rhinestone heart. I think I like these too. Yeah, these are fun. That's probably newer than I want it to be, the cowgirl one, but the content's good and it's only $3. I feel like it's a safe bet. No, I'm looking at the back actually. It does look like it's got a little age to it. It's heavier than a lot of the new ones too. Whoa. Okay, I see 125. What else do I see? Interesting. Maybe I'll get them to open it just in case there's something in there. I don't think there will be though. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be all pretty spendy. Yeah, because then they have these really awesome vintage plastic. Those ones are Bakelite, and that one's 25, so. And how much is that? Yeah, the pink one's 35, that darker pink. So that's a pass. Yeah, that beaded flowers, 35. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas, Mary. That's so cute. Oh, this is fun. How much is this one? 15. I don't know. I'm actually starting to second guess these. I know they're priced right. This is a fun creamer. Made in Japan. How much are you though? I don't see a price. I'm probably missing it. Interesting. There's actually a lot going on here that I'm just now noticing. Souvenir of the Holy Land. Photos have not really done that well for me, surprisingly. They did all right on Etsy for a while. It's been a while since I listed one on Etsy, but whatnot, not so much. Not that I'm not going to go back to Etsy. It's just I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. Neat. Well, these bracelets are $3 each, and I actually see a couple neat ones buried in here that I might scoop up. Okay, so I'm actually putting these back because I found this little thing that says treasures $1 each, including this little Lulu homemade trinket box. I think this is where this came from. Is this not where this came from? 23, it is. All right, So I'm gonna put these back. I just don't feel like spending $7 on it. And I'm gonna go through the Dollar Trinket box. There's like whole shelves of it. Dollar stuff. Super neat. Okay, well, I just tried to open that little Lulu. Look at this spooky monkey little Lulu box, and it made the most unpleasant sound ever. So I passed on that. Oh my gosh. Too bad it's cracked in the face. What about this little angel? $5. How cute. I think we'll take you for $5. What about this one? $12. Yeah, she is really cute. I can't believe what good condition she's in, right? I'm like second guessing everything now. Yeah, she looks good. I'll take her. What is this box? As is 15. These are cool. Wait a minute. Batman candy? How fun. 1989. Those are really fun. There's all kinds of odds and ends over here. Milk glass. This really pretty biscuit jar. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have never seen the Glinda one. I might look that up to see if it's worth picking up for $10, because this one's pretty epic. I mean, I usually sell them for like, you know, the other Wizard of Oz ones like around $10, $11, but this one's pretty special. And it also has a different base, I feel like. Yeah, I am gonna go ahead and take a chance on this one. This one's a little bit different than the other ones. And though I'm paying a little bit more than I'd like to at $10 for it, they're anywhere online listed, mind you, for like $29 to $40. Now that doesn't mean sold, but they seem kind of hard to find, especially because I don't think I've seen this one before, like I said, so I'm gonna do it. You guys, this bear is $20. I don't think I have the heart to leave him. He's really fantastic. I have to take this out of principle. If no one wants him, I will gladly keep him. He needs love. I can't even with these cards. Look at these. I'm getting all of them. $3 each. They're amazing. Okay, so I spent... Is that a ticket on my car? No, it's just a reflection. Look at this bear. I think we needed each other. I could really use a friend. I swear, somebody just like made themselves at home while I was checking out, and just like basically, and their friend like basically pushed me out of their way in the middle of my checkout. I'm just like, what is going on? Is this the Twilight Zone? Anyway, I bought all those little new old stock button cards with the original envelopes at $3 a piece. I ended up spending $75 in there, which was a steal, I think, at least. And I'm so in love with this little bear. I don't know if I'm going to be able to part with him, honestly. So I might have accidentally bought a teddy bear for myself, but he was really... My mom would have made me get him, honestly. So, all right, now I am out of Morro Bay, and I am on to San Luis Obispo. I'm so excited about my dress and my new friend.